I have been on my own for too many years. So many tears and there is so much pain. I've been through so much, I can't do it again. So many questions like what is this for? But the only thing that matters what I did for the Lord. So many tears and so many regrets. So many dead homies I can never forget. I seen a brother 19 years old laying in a coffin, his body turned cold. What do you do when you're not ready to die? Life is such a blessing, I wasn't ready to cry. Living so easy like this never will end, until you say goodbye to a dear close friend. Don't wanna be here, I'm so sad and alone. Life is way too hard for me to live on my own. I need a friend, I need somebody to love. I'm crying out in tears to my Father above. The world is dying cause they have no hope. They don't know Jesus, they don't know how to cope. Give me the words so I can touch the soul. Give me love for people for the hearts turn cold. I got some homies that are still in the street, looking for a purpose, there is only defeat. I try to help them, only thing I can say, come back to the Father, He will make you a way. Tell me, can you feel my